the tree. Got it? What is there on the right and left? 10-floor apartments. The cost of an apartment that costs you 1 to 1.2 million local currency right now on a lease basis of 10 years. If you want to have it on a more lease basis, you have to pay more from your pocket. The best way to see this island is through the aerial view from the heli ride. Second, through the tower. On the straight, you can see there is a tower here. Can you see the tower on the straight? There is a tower. You have to pay 150 local currency for the ticket. You can reach at the top. You can see the whole island from the top. Okay? So there is an entry ticket for the observation deck. Can you see this, everyone? It looks like a palm tree. Can you see the blue dot there? We are here. Okay? That's the proof I have. That's my GPS location of my cell phone. So we are driving on this island right now. If you have your GPS connectivity on your GPS, get your location. So we are still on the thicker part of the trunk of the tree. Then after this, we will be going for the thinner strip. Thinner strip, we have 8 branches right, 8 branches left. We will cover those branches from outside, and those branches are actually the roads. These are turning roads. 8 roads on the right side. These are turning roads, which you have to imagine. If you look these roads from the aerial view, these are looking like branches. So the branches are named as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8 on right, I to P on left. So I will show you the 8 branches on the right side. It's coming. Gates and the road behind. Here is the B branch of the tree. Here is the C branch on the right side. 2 security gates and the road behind. That's the C branch. Similar fashion, we have D, E, F, G, H. 8 on right. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P on left. See a famous Atlantis joining us in the future in February 26. Maybe there is a grand opening here for this Atlantis. You can see on the right side a new Atlantis coming for the future. Royal Atlantis here. Right side. Can you see the cuboids? Everyone, can you see the cuboids piled up together? No? Yes? No? Okay. That will become the Royal Atlantis for the future. Okay. Now we came to the tip of the tree. Now we have to reach to the ring-like body at the top of the tree. How to reach the ring-like body? In between the ring-like body and the tree, there is a seawater. We are going below the seawater through an underwater tunnel. Okay. So the length of the tunnel is 980 meters. We have to cross this, and we will be reaching to the ring-like body at the top of the tree. We are 6 to 10 meters below the sea level right now. Going more deeper side,